threat to democracy. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has prompted every Indian to contribute towards making India a developed country by 2047. He said that the doubt whether India can be a developed country in 25 years can be answered through Sabka Siddhi and Sabka Prayas. He was speaking after inaugurating Sri Madhusudan at Sai Institute of Medical Sciences and Research in Mudendenahalli in Chikkaballapur district of Karnataka.
और इसलिए भाजपा की पूर्ण बहुमत वाली मजबूत स्थिर सरकार ये कर्नाटका के लिए आज समय की मांग है। कर्नाटका के उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए ये बहुत आवश्यक है।
Union Home Minister Amit Shah